Hello world, my name is Lava from South Africa.
Hello, my name is Eddie Molina. I am Ecuadorian. I am part of the team for the CS50 final project, a project that we created, keeping in mind those who are looking to start something but don't know how or looking for guidance. I think this project has a lot of potential, and I hope you enjoy this project.
One of the guidelines for the CS50 final project was we have to solve an actual problem. Well, I think we did. A lot of people they make new resolutions. They want to change their lives. They want to start it. They want to keep it better. But after a few weeks, they find everything they want to achieve is really hard, and they want to help them solve it. So we decided to create a web application where people can learn from others who have walked the same journey with them. Our application allows you to share your journey, to document your journey, and also learn from other people's journeys. You can share information that you share tips that help you in your journey, and to give other people challenges.
Okay, this is what it looks like when you open the site for the first time or make an account. I'll write my username here, my email, password, then confirm my password, then I'll register. Then they'll send me a code to confirm my email. Okay, now I am registered. All I have to do is log in. Okay, this is a survey to help the app better understand my goals, so I could do 100 days of code and code for 4 hours a day. Okay, now I'm logged in. I guess all I have to do is to set up a profile picture. Now I'll share my first post. I'll write my caption here. And wow, here's it. I'll click on it and yeah, I'll like it. And now let's go to search and search for friend Eddie. Okay, I'll follow him. Now let's go to the home page to see other people's posts. And wow, this is so inspiring. Look at this. Wow. Okay, these are challenges. I like this challenge. And this app is very amazing. Look at this. So amazing. Okay, I like this tip. Now I think it's my time to share my very first tip.
Remember guys, effort matters. This is CS50.